Hello guys, this is Brahma. If you like my previous videos, just do subscribe my channel and share with your colleagues and friends. Today in this video, I'm just going to show you how to deploy Hasura and Graphical Engine with just one-click deployment. Hasura and Graphical Engine providing you a better and fast API system in just few seconds. You just need to create tables in that. That's it. It will give you the entire services with just a single endpoint. So let's quickly jump onto the installation part. Hasura and GraphQL. So I can search with Hasura and GraphQL um, GitHub. That will give you the GitHub account of Hasura and GraphQL Engine, and you can see the features and the other things as well here in the page. So this is how it looks like the page, the console page of Hasura and GraphQL. And these are the features, like it comes up with powerful queries like built-in inbuilt filtering, pagination, pattern search, bulk insert, update, delete mutations, and it converts a graphical query to a live query by using subscriptions. So this is a pretty powerful one, and it comes up with a few other things as well. It gives you high performance and low footprint. With just 15 MB Docker image, you can create a Docker image here, and it supports multi-core as well, and um, and it has other table of contents here. You can go through it for the client-side tooling, adding business logic, remote schemas, etc., etc. And here, so in this video, I'm just gonna show you how to deploy Hasura with just one-click deployment. You can use either this option, like deploying Hasura to Hasura Cloud, or you can go with the other options as well. So Heroku, DigitalOcean, Azure, Render. So with just one-click deployment, you can create Hasura backend API system here. You click on the deploy to Heroku, so it will redirect you to the Heroku page. If you already signed in, you can see your dashboard here, and with the name, you just need to provide an app name and then select the region. Just click on the deploy app. It will give you the Hasura graphical engine. Um, and if you don't have an account in Heroku, just sign in and just sign up for account and sign in. You will get this page. And I have already deployed that on my Heroku. So I will just go with the dashboard, and yeah, this is what my Heroku Hasura um, GraphQL engine, where if you deploy that on Heroku, it will give you this page. Like you can see, I've used GitHub credentials to log into this Hasura, and it will give you more options like to view logs and to run console, etc., etc. And you can add pipelines as well. And once you click on this button, it will redirect you to the Hasura console, the Hasura backend console. So these are the Hasura backend console, where you can see the GraphQL tab, data, actions, remote, schemas, events, etc., etc. And in the GraphQL, you can see here, it is actually providing a single endpoint. This is the endpoint URL. So with just this single endpoint URL, you can access any number of services in your Hasura GraphQL engine. So, and you can add encryption keys as well here to secure services. And let's let's go to data tab. So you can add any number of tables or columns, sorry, sequences, triggers, any constraints here. Just create a table or add a table. You can see here my list of tables, uh, fill jobs, message, task, to do, user online users, etc., etc. And you can create a table here with just one click. Table name, And then column type integer auto increment, it gives you a lot of types, column types as well. You can select here, and I can provide the default values if it is nullable or unique. Just check these check boxes, and you can add primary keys, foreign keys. You can add unique constraints as well, and then followed by comments. Just click on that table; it will give you the table. And once you get back to the GraphQL, so once you get back to the table, I have added a to do thing here, to do table. I have you can see here you have two records. We have two records here, and if you wanna filter these records, you can use this filter option. And if you wanna sort this, you can use this sort column sort section. And if you wanna insert, you can insert here. Exactly. You don't need to run a query. It's just a boolean and then followed by text. That's it. Save. So this just inserted a row. Once you can go back to browse rows, you can see here the record inserted. And you can copy, you can edit, or you can delete the column here itself. Um, and you can modify the created table at any point of time. You can add any number of columns here, and you can add primary keys, foreign keys, unique keys, triggers, and you can delete the table as well. And the relationships, if you want to add relationships from one table to another table, you can add here, and you can restrict the table access through permissions as well. So once you get back to GraphQL, so this is most powerful one. You can create a GraphQL queries directly with just um, single click here. Like so if you want to go with the test or to do, so just click on this one, the sidebar, and it will give you a distinct on limit offset, and there are others as well. If you want to get all IDs followed by to-dos, user, and then all the columns, just click on check these check boxes. It will give you a query. This is just a query to run your to-dos, to get fetch your to-dos. So once you run this query with this button, so you can see here it fetched all the records from that table. Data followed by to do, and these were the first to do. ID, to do, user, done. So these are three records. I can and you can use aggregate functions as well. If you wanna get distinct, you can get distinct here. Sorry, we have to select. If you wanna limit, you can limit any number of rows. So this is helpful for pagination actually. Um, you have to remove that, and then you have to add query. So to do aggregate, you can limit. That's it. That will give you. You need to add aggregate functions. So here, so we just selected count here, right? So we got count here. Count, we have three number of records. And you can run average as well. You can run max, min, standard deviation. It provides you data science related things as well here. Standard deviation, standard deviation pop, sum, and the variance kind of. I can use these options if you are working with data science. You can add where query as well here. You can so you can add any number of options here, like you can add offset and distinct on. So you can create any number of queries with just um, this sidebar. That's it guys for this video. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to create an end-to-end app